India Glitz viewers, this is Pia Bashpe. My new film Backbench Student is going to release on 15th of March, and I'm very excited, very happy about the whole film because it's a very youthful film, colorful, fresh, and it's a lovely romantic story. I believe he has seen Rangam, and he and his whole team they liked me in Rangam, so I think they picked me up from there. My character name is Chaitra in the film, and Chaitra is very passionate, very possessive, insecure, but very confident. And she's a very clean hearted person. She's not negative at all. She's very possessive and insecure because she's a self made woman without any support. She's trying to stand on her feet. So whenever she feels that somebody is coming into her life and getting away the things which are hers, she get very panicked actually, and she start behaving little rude. So it's a lovely character because it's a different character for me. I haven't done in my previous film any possessive and insecure character where the same time I'm a good girl also. Very much. In still seventh or eighth standard, I was like front bencher, and then suddenly after eighth, I become a back bencher. And in college, so there was no bench for me because I used to bunk my classes a lot. First of all, I like the title a lot. It's a very catchy title, Backbencher Student, and it says a lot about the storyline. And I knew about Madhura Sridhar sir I mean, my friends who are in Hyderabad, they told me that he is a very good, very sensible director. Though I haven't seen Sneh Geetam and It's My Love Story, I have seen some part of the film, and I really like the way he has taken the shot and all. And I knew it that he will show me in film very beautifully. And my friends told me he is a king of publicity, which is like very true. I have done some films in Tamil, but I never got this kind of publicity what I'm getting for Backbencher Student. Mahat's character, Mahat is playing a typical true backbencher. And I'm sure he really got a very good character, and people gonna love him in the film. He's a very nice co-actor, and he's a friend of mine. He's a very full of energy and like a kid on set all the time. So it was nice working with him. My music is super hit. I will say thanks to Sunil Kashyap. And in VBS, I got three songs: Tilsi Tilsi, Vennelima, and I'm Sorry Vendra. And I'm totally in love with Tilsi Tilsi. And I think I'm looking my best in Tilsi Tilsi. And it's very special song because first time I'm wearing saris and running in that yellow flower field. And we shot this song in Aruku. So I'm very much in love with the song. And Sunil sir has done a wonderful work because I'm a non-Telugu person and I don't understand lyrics word by word. So I go with the music, and music is really very beautiful. So I'm very happy that I got beautiful songs in a beautiful film. Highlights of the film: first of all, it's a very simple film, and we are trying to convey the film in a very simple way, the whole story, and colors, freshness, good songs, and very youth cast. He's a very intelligent man, and very professional also at the same time. He's a very cool person. I shot for BBS for a month, and I have never seen him getting angry on set. He never gets angry, and he knows how to extract work from the actors. And one thing what I like as an actor about him, that mostly directors they prefer their cast like my artist, my hero or my heroine. He will say my stars, and for an actor, it's a very good thing to hear when director is calling them, oh, they are my stars. So I don't remember. And never he called us ki my artist or my hero or my heroine. So I really like this thing a lot, and he actually did all the things and made us feel like stars. So I'm very happy about this thing, and he's a very cool person. I'm very happy that he's a director of BBS, and I got him as my director because it's a very entertaining film, and there is no blood flood and no mar dhar, nothing like that. It's a very cute love story, and I'm sure if this film is truly for backbenchers. I'm sure the people, I think out of 100, 95 people are backbencher in their own life. So when they will go and they will watch the film, they can relate the story with themselves, and good songs. And when people will see the songs on the big screen, I'm sure they're gonna love it, and they will feel like there should be more song in the film. and good storyline. So I'm not saying it's something very extraordinary, but it's gonna be surely an entertainment film. I don't want to comment on it because we were never dating. We will never date. We are only friends. Just because you're shooting with a guy and the guy is a hero of your film, it doesn't make that I'm dating him and all. And I'm very much single and I'm enjoying my work and I have no intention to go into any relationship for a while. So I don't know from where these rumors started. So I don't know what to say, but from my end, I want to say we are not dating. We were never dating and we will not. There is no lip lock actually, not a single lip lock. There is only one scene, and that's like a pack on lips. There is no smooch scene, there is no lip lock. Dalam is coming. Dalam will be released in April first week, I hope so. And it's a beautiful, very intense love story. I'm playing Telugu Brahman girl in the film, and the first time I'm wearing this half sari as well and putting this chandan bindi. So I'm very happy about that again thing. I'm very happy because this is the kind of work which I always wanted to do, and I got these two films. And BBS and Dalam are like very different film. It's like nothing in common between those two films. So I'm sure people are gonna watch a different PI and different films. Actually, frankly speaking, there is no difference. Trust me, there is no difference. People say ki more professional or nothing. Nothing is like that. In Tamil also, people are same professional the way they are in Telugu. So I think it all depends what kind of unit you get as a person. My film Backbench Student is going to release on 15th of March, and I'm very happy and very excited. Not nervous at all because I know what's gonna happen. I'm very confident about that, and it's a beautiful film, very colorful, fresh breeze you're gonna feel there. So please go to theater and watch the film there. And I'm sure the way we loved the whole process while we were shooting, I'm sure you're gonna love the same way when you're gonna watch into theater. Thank you very much.